What you guys, got another video here for you today. I thought I'd show you a way of changing your background to a live background, which will be like a video type theme rather than just having a static image here. And a couple of people asked me in private message on our new Discord server on how to do this. So I thought I'd make a quick video to show you. Now probably the best way to do it is using Wallpaper engine, which you can get on Steam. It's about £2 something in English money, and if you want to use a free piece of software, there is ones out there on the internet, but some of them have got pups in them which are potentially unwanted programs, which you may need to remove before you use those. So what we're going to do here is open up a Wallpaper engine and take a look at it. Now you can see the quality here is set to low, medium or high. You can choose whatever you want here. I'm going to put this on high for now and see how we go with the high setting. So next up, I'm just going to put the auto start tick in here, and I'm going to allow this to go through my firewall. And you can also have it adjust Windows color, but I'm going to leave that disabled for now. And then once we've got that set, I can then click on next and move on to the final bit. So you can see here, all we need to do is go down to the bottom right hand corner, and we should have our program running here, and we can access all our features and settings from there if we want to at any time. So what I'm going to do now is click all done and browse the images which we can use here. Now I've got dual monitor set up here, and it will allow you to use images on both of those dual monitors if you wish, so you can set that up how you like. You've got a browse feature here to load up all your profile images from their server. All you need to do is download them and use the ones that they supply, or you can use your own if you wish. So let's go ahead and explore some of the images that we can use here. So I'm going to go to the workshop area here, and you can choose whatever area you want, anime, game, fantasy, sci-fi, you know, anything like that, landscape, and choose what you want to have a look at, and it will let you look at all those images, and you can choose amongst thousands and thousands of images that people have created. And you can use them on your desktop to give your desktop a nice professional look and feel to it. So let's go ahead and take a look here. So you've got your area up here where you can say top rated, most popular for the year, most popular for the month, week and today. And you've also got some other areas here which you can choose from. On the left you've got some little areas where you can put ticks in to search by category. And you can see here I've got a nature one in here, and this will let me search by nature or sci-fi or whatever it is I want. And now I can also use the search feature up the top as well to search by name, say for instance Star Wars or whatever it is that I want to search for, and it will show me all those. But you can see here they're all listed here with games, and there's literally thousands of pages of images which you can use. And also you've got a subscribe area here, and it tells you how large the file is. This one's The Witcher. You can hit subscribe, and this will allow you to pull this down and download it, and then use this on your desktop background. So let that come down. Now it will take a bit of time depending on your speed of your internet, but you can see this comes down pretty fast here. And now we can click OK, and you can change the volume and also the alignments and stuff like that if you wish with this piece of software. Also there is audio on these as well. You can turn the audio off if you wish as well. I've got the audio muted at the moment here, but you can see there's a ton of different ones here to choose from, and they look absolutely awesome. And if you're looking for something that's a little bit more subtle like this, you can use something a bit more subtle that may not take as much resources. Now if your system is not a really powerful system, you've got an i5 or an i7 or a Ryzen system, it will run perfectly fine on that. You just may need to tweak the settings to suit your system's needs. Now I will show you some of the resources that it does use here. So let me open up Task Manager here. Now when that settles down, I've got this on the highest setting, and I've got dual monitors running here. And remember, I'm capturing the screen, so that's going to take up some system resources there, but it's not that bad. And the program will automatically disable when you start playing games, so you won't lose any resources there. So all in all, I think it's probably one of the best wallpaper engines out there that you can get, and it's only a couple of pounds, and you can get it from the Steam store there, and you can get beautiful animated backgrounds just like these as you're seeing on here. Now I've chosen some here that you may like. These ones are pretty subtle, they're not too aggressive. As you can see, the lightsaber is glowing, and you've got a bit of glowing on the screen there. And also you've got much more aggressive ones for much more higher end systems, so just bear that in mind. Some of them might be a bit too much for your system to run, but you can always tone those down with much more less aggressive ones like these. This one's pretty subtle and it looks pretty nice, I think, and adds a really nice touch to any sort of setup that you may have. So why don't you pop onto the Discord server and show us what your setup looks like and what themes you have chosen for your desktop, and let me know by posting your images. Anyway, I'll leave all the links for this in the video description and also for the Discord server. My name is Brian from briteccomputers.co.uk. Bye for now. Now, if you haven't subscribed yet, hit the big red subscribe button on my YouTube channel and hit the bell notification button next to that to be notified when we upload new videos.